Hi, my name's John. I'm with Johnson RV here in Fife. Today we're going to take a look at this Midwest Passage on the Ford chassis. It's a 2025 model. This one has a 360 camera, fully loaded chassis, all-wheel drive. We have a little camera right here. Going inside, it's got the screen door that meets in the middle. It's really easy to use. Got the upgraded power seats, built-in massage. This coach has all the safety features, adaptive cruise and pedestrian avoidance, blind spot, everything you need. A 10-inch screen up there. It also has the control panel, so you don't have to get out of your driver's seat to turn the lights off or turn certain things on. Big bathroom, sink, toilet, porcelain toilet in here. All of the woodwork in here is all marine grade. They do a 16-stage process to finish this. It's really high-end stuff. Solid surface counter, deep sink, 2-burner induction stove. Everything is well insulated in here. Anything you touch in here, you can feel the insulation on it. This one has the latest and greatest AC by Gree. It's half as quiet as any other AC out there on the market. Really quiet. Big fridge, freezer, good storage in this one. Little closet right there, which works really well. This one's got the electric couch. Also, we got electric shades. Really nice feature. You can sit in one spot and close all the shades. Anyway, if you'd like to see it, it's here at Johnson RV in Fife. Give us a call. Ask for John in sales. I'll be happy to show it to you. Have a good day.